Hey guys, it's your girl Chloe here, and I got a special guest with me. Come here, baby. I know it. This is baby Riley. He's my boyfriend, puppy boyfriend. And isn't he so adorable? I know. He's a little camel shy, and he's a little Yorkie. He's 5 years old. He'll be 6 in July. So, yeah, he's getting a big boy and stuff, and he's my partner in crime. So, moving on with the outfit, I have some black leggings. I have a tank top under this see-through shirt. The tank top is black. The shirt is pink. I have my hair in my go-to hairstyle. I have a ponytail. We got the hoop earrings, makeup done. We have this really pretty necklace that shimmers. We have a bracelet that has ice cream cones and circled beads. We have this pretty bracelet that's black and has little beads. And then we have a ring, which is pink. Now, it is not my birthstone. My birthstone is blue. So, yeah. But, my mom gave me it, and, it fits me, luckily, and stuff. So, I decided to wear it. And, yeah. Fits, comes off when I need it to. Oh, hey, baby boy. Alright. So, who looks better today? Me, hashtag KK, or hashtag Riley? Riley, I think you're gonna beat me, baby. Yeah, you're so adorable. Yeah, you're so adorable and fuzzy. Okay, well, mommy has a video to do, so your fuzzy butt has to move. Alright, so we have a few bags on my lovely bed that I just got in. Alright, sit to the side, baby boy. There you go. So starting off with this bag, I just am gradually just grabbing bags and stuff. So there's no order. My sister really does not like these purses that I'm about to show y'all. I don't know why. In my opinion, they are really cute. But there is a few things in here, so I'm just going to pull them out and I'm going to show them to you guys. Because let's see what all the personal things are in here. Yep, that's it. And as you can tell, it's a peace bag. Have peace with each other. Stand strong. Be courageous. And the thing that was in here was this pink cap and a broken binder clip. And this thing from here. And let's see. So nothing fancy, huh? You peel the back off, and you can stick it to a mirror. You can stick it to pretty much anything. And you can put your stuff in there. Okay. I see. Well, how cute and adorable. Alright. Next bag. And some of these bags might not have anything, but I'm still showing them because I want y'all to just see how they look. So, a camouflage pink bag, which I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, there's nothing in here. And snap. So yeah, all of these bags are crossbody bags, so they are perfect for me. Alright, moving on to this backpack. This backpack now is officially belong to me. This is my sister's school bag for this year. In here is a pair of scissors. We have a picture of me, and this was in 2019. Oh, the 6th month on day 20 of 2019. Here is the lovely picture of me. I know I look so hideous. Next, I have this lovely word search. I love word searches. I don't know why. Call me a nerd if you will. I love them. They are probably one of my favorite things ever. So yeah, they're just really cute and adorable. Well, not adorable, but you know, release the stress. A deck of Uno cards. Uno, my game. My sister kept on having to do a game of Uno with me until she finally beat me. And I won probably about 20 games, and she won only one. So, if you think you can beat me at a game of Uno, I got Uno cards. So, I'll play you. Alright, we have a doll outfit. I have the doll. I have to find another doll outfit. In the other shoe. I'll probably have my sister help me find it because it's somewhere in this room. But yeah, here is the outfit. It's YouTube one. So, what a pair of cute leggings. So, yeah. Here's one shoe. We have some rubber bands for doing the doll's hair. Other shoe. The vlogger shoes. So that outfit has been completed. Sleep mask. Putting that right there. Trash. Popcorn machine. Play-Doh maker. popcorn, a big hoop, doll hairbrush, hair clip, makeup stickers, an extruder, mascara, three sides of these, and then a little popcorn scooper, chapstick, three knobs for the extruder, a candy molder, six cans of Play-Doh. We have a green, a white, a yellow, another can of white, a brown, and a blue. We have a liquid foundation. My mom gave me this one. And I am the master of cards. Think you can beat me? You can try. I highly doubt it. I always got a deck of cards on me. Any card game that I know. There's a few card games I know. I only know a few. And then a pair of flowery pants. I have to find the shirt. Alright. Now to put everything back in here until I find a place for it all together. Now, there's this bag. We have, this has some erasers in it. From Hairspray. Really, it's just water. We have some phone stuff. So basically, it's a face washer. This is my sister, so we are about to expose my sister. She's actually my stepsister, but I call her my sister. Judge me. We have a perfume. We have another purse, which is now mine. It had a nozzle to it. We have a sock. We have this. I don't know what it is. A pencil. Non-sharpened but has an eraser. A colored pencil. Non-sharp. Sharp. Sorry sis for the video. We have a pad. We have a belt. This one is camouflage. She loves to go hunting. So do I. We have a body creamer. I guess you put this stuff on your leg. Mm-hmm. This belt hurts. Ow. The fabric. Ooh, this is a cool belt. Okay, sis. I see what you're working with. Okay, okay. We have this belt. This belt is pretty cool. Sorry, y'all. It's my little brother. You want to come say hi, Papa? You don't want to come say hi. Okay, there's this little thing. I don't know what this is. Is something to hold up your pants. And then we have a pink one. Jesus, sis, you have too many belts. Ooh, there's this belt. She has too many belts. Here is this belt. More socks. A hoop earring. Ooh, now this belt is cute. A deep cleaning wash. Ah, okay. So basically, this is a face cleaner for your face and body. So it's a cleaner. Let's see. This is a daily face wash. So this is a face washer. Eyeliner. This is a, what is this? This is a Revine cleaner. I don't know how this thing works. I can't get mine to come out. We have a lip gloss. A small hoop. Where's that cookie bottle? Flamingo Mist. To die for. It's so good. Okay, sis, staying fresh. Got two deodorants. Okay. I only got one. She got two. Okay, sis, staying extra fresh. Wait, there's two different ones. Power, fresh. From the same thing. Wash. Wash. Oh, Jesus. Ew. Jesus. Ugh. Her hairbrush. So, we will first put in all of the belts. After time, you know, properly. Oh. Which really all I'm doing is I'm wrapping on my hand, shoving them. Oh, baby. I miss that. Turn around, let me see it from the back. I know you like it when I hit it like that. From the bottom to the top. Wanna see the waterfall drop, 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 it. Chick, right, chick, drop it low and slide. Hashtag I'm living the TikTok life. Now this one I am putting down on the floor because, like I told you, it's my sister's. And we dispose. Now this is my suitcase. And I can prove that it is a suitcase because it has a lot of pockets, so I'm just checking each pocket. I know that the main pocket has something in it. I don't know if any of these. Okay, yeah, this one has something. We have another bag. Another bag. Jeez. I swear, I'm a witch. We will come back to this bag because we found more bags and they are smaller and we do the smaller bags. So there's this hairbrush and there's a protects dry lips and moisturizing them. So my lipstick is coming off. I don't care though. Nope, nothing. Some things. This is my sister's, this is not mine. So we have this little shower cap. I have this, some scissors, I'm not gonna lie. Nasty. Sorry, baby boy. We have in my suitcase bag sharpened pencils that are decorated. None are plain. They all different and stuff, and they really cute. So, guys, you don't always have to buy new school supplies. Okay, I got pencils. I won't even have to buy none for this year, but I probably will because I'm extra. I got my headphones. I got these for Easter, and yet that police is missing. Yeah, I'm sure they still work. But yeah, we got the flexible pencil where like you know you can just twist it and stuff. Like you can just twist it some way like this, and you can still write and stuff and still erase. See, it's that flexible pencil. See, and just write with it however you want. You have a broken palette. Now, like I said, stay on that Uno thing. Those Uno cards that I previous showed you actually goes to a different Uno. But these are my Uno. But whichever one I have on me, I will still challenge you. So you won't beat me, but you can give it your shot. So we have some chokers. These chokers I have not used yet, at all. But they will get used eventually. Especially when school starts. They'll definitely be getting used. This thing is annoying. So this one is a star. Has a star. Hold on, guys. I should have brought the trash can. Oh, why is I instead of my sister? She's not even here. She won't be here until tomorrow. And I did get these at Walmart, and they were so only 580, 88, 588, and so yeah. So there's this one which is out of rubber bands, and it has this cute, adorable little thing on it. So moving on to the next one. Now this one is just black with shimmer, but the fabric on this is really soft. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, those are my chokers. And then we have another pencil. And we also have mechanical pencil because sometimes I have to switch. So I have this little art kit, and it has red, orange, yellow, green, blue crayons, and you can also paint using red, orange, red, red, yellow, green, blue. So yeah. Then I have this Frisbee, which has a Barbie on it. Stuff. More Uno cards. Uno away. Another Uno card. Riley boy. We have another flexible pencil. Riley is about to jump off my bed. Yep. He's like, I'm out. I don't want to be here no more. Riley. Hold on, guys. My little puppy wants out. We have some bubbles. I'm like trying to be careful. So, because I'm on my bed. So, we have bubbles. We have this pen. We have this. It's empty. Next, we have this pencil pouch. In here, we have this. That's garbage. I don't want it. We have another mechanical pencil. We have two markers that I don't really care. Another mechanical pencil. Another flexible pencil. Two more pens. And the rest are just crayons. So, shut your mouth, dream, little thing. Dream, what do you need, Bubba?
What did you let Ronnie out?
He wanted out.
But Bella wants in here.
Alright, let Bella in. Set her on my bed.
What are you doing?
A YouTube video.
You make me do it. You make me do it. That's not good. I'm going to say yes or no.
Don't know what that was about, but pencil pouch. Hey, baby girl. Come here. Y'all, this is my little baby. Hey, baby girl. Mwah. This is my sleeping partner. She sleeps with me every night. My dad gets jealous because he wants her to sleep with her and she does not want to. No, do you? No, do you, baby? No. No, baby. Puppy, puppy, puppy kisses. I love you. You gonna help me? Say hi, I'm Bella. This is Bella, and she's a girl. Riley is a boy. Riley has been big, so that means Bella cannot make out with Riley and have no puppies. So no puppies for Bella. At least not right now. Hopefully. Oh yes. She said that feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Did you come in here for me to just mess with you so I would get distracted and not do my video? Or did you come in here to actually help me? Yeah, you came in here to distract. Alright, baby. I can't pet you no more. Folders. I had to have 13 folders for science, and yet we never used but one. But we need 13 folders. So this one is a cheetah print, and it has orange end when it meets where the pink is, and it says notes. So there's that one. Now, mermaid is my spirit animal. This was my living and learning notebook, but it just has papers in it. There's no drawings or anything. So yeah. Let me see if there's anything in this one. No. Happy Girl Shines Brighter. This one is my favorite. I'm in love with this one. It's so adorable. I love it. My faves. Now we just have this plain pink one. And this one has, when me and my sister were trading lies, I gave her what I do. I get up, I eat breakfast, she takes out the dog. Oh, this is hers. Yeah, this one was my sister's. It says, what do I do? She gets up, eats breakfast, takes out her dog, watches AMI, gets a snack, watch phone for an hour, draws, takes the dog out, gets ready, lays down with the dog till 5, takes medicine at 7, goes to bed at 8. Is that that it. So yeah, that was the only thing in here. Then we have this green one, which I don't think no one has used at all. So yeah, close your eyes, shut your mouth, dream a dream, little beat, dream, 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 dream. And I basically just keep anything that I don't really need, but I use sometimes in my little suitcase bag, just one, because I'm extra. And for two, it's easy to accent. Take your choker, rubber band one, it'll stretch. Tie your Uno cards, won't lose choker, won't lose any of your Uno cards. Millie, rock, pick it up. Now, Millie, rock, pick it up. Now, throw that. Back, pick it up. Now, throw that. I cannot stay focused, even doing a video. My mind will be on something totally different. I'll be doing the video. I just won't actually be thinking about what I am doing. Did somebody break your heart? Yes, 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 he did, mama. I didn't do nothing. All I know is he doesn't want me. I told him, what did I do? He said I was annoying. Boo, please. If I was so annoying, please meet yourself. Because if you think I'm annoying, boy, you really out of line. You really, really lucky that a girl is checking on you and making sure that you're alright. Most girls don't care. They just let the boys go. Not caring where they going, don't care where they been, don't care if they're having another one night stand. Yeah, pick it up later. Alright guys, so I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be right after I upload this video and post it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Sorry if it was very long. I kept on having an interrupter, my little brother. So yeah. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. Oh, sorry. Just in case there's a boy out there watching my video, I do not date no one older than 14. Because I am 12. I am soon. And yeah, 4 more months, I'll be 13. So, yeah. So whenever I get 13, I can do 14, 15, 16. Actually, my sister, she's 12 and she almost dating a 16-year-old. So, no higher than 16, please. Thank you. Alright, before I embarrass myself, bye guys. Hope you like. Bye. See you later. Hope y'all enjoy seeing my cute little innocent dogs. So yeah. Bye.